Let's talk about hanging the mid-pipe here. As you can tell, the back box is on, all 4 hangers are in place, and it holds it in place really nicely. The nice thing about the mid-pipe up here is it's going to be held into place as well, because remember, we transferred that hanger, and that hanger is going to go right here. So you're going to bring the mid-pipe up, slide it over your 4 posts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, one thing you're going to want to check, and this is why I wanted to roll up and show you. Now, if you notice, this is bare metal. So that means that the silver conical gaskets that go between these 2 pieces are still on the other mid-pipe. So we're going to want to go over and take those out. So before I hang the mid-pipe, I'll show you what they look like. But this is something you want to check because they'll frequently come out with the mid-pipe. So go ahead and double check on those. Sometimes they stay behind, sometimes they don't. So we're going to get the conical gaskets on, 1 and 2 here, and then you're going to take the mid-pipe back up, hang it over those posts, and then put these hangers into place, and then your mid-pipe will hang perfectly, and then we'll get our ABs hung. Now, quick side note here. If you look in the video description, I will have the part numbers for the gaskets and these nuts. I mentioned how they were stuck behind in the other mid-pipe. I got them out, but they're a little beat up, and so I would recommend, in most cases, replacing them while you're here. They're not very expensive. The part numbers will be in the video description, and you can get those ordered first. You might also want to order these 4 nuts while you're there as well, while you're ordering parts. These went back on just fine, but they are a little beat up. They are a little bit rusty. So if I had new ones on hand, I would swap them out. So this is hung up in place. So now what you want to do is take your clamps here. You've got one that necks down. You put the necked down side here on the back box, the larger side here on the open side. Same thing on both sides. And then these use ball clamps. So then you'll want to hang up the AB pipe, open up the ball clamp, slide it on here, slide the driver's side AB pipe on, slide it on here, slide the sleeve over it, and then it'll hang in place just fine. I'll show you what both sides look like. And we'll get them oriented and fitted correctly.